Hi all, welcome back to time series analysis course. Here we are going to discuss about where we are using time series analysis. Moreover, you can see here that how regression analysis concepts apply in time series models or modeling time series data. Let's see the background. Most of the data we are handling in nowadays obtained from observations collected sequentially over time. To handle this data, we need to have very good understanding about time series techniques. Here you can see that as a statistician, how common we meet time series data in different fields. In businesses, we observe weekly interest rate, daily closing stock prices, monthly price indices, yearly sales figures, and so forth. In meteorology, we observe daily high and low temperature, rainfall data, and many of them. In agriculture, we record annual figures for crop and livestock production, soil erosions, and export sales. In biological science, something like ECG data, MRI data, there are many things. In ecology, we record the abundance of animal species and such kind of things. The list of areas in which time series are studied is endless. It means there are many fields. The purpose of time series analysis is generally twofold. To understand or model the stochastic mechanism that gives rise to an observed series. That's the one thing. The other thing is to predict or forecast the future values of a series based on the history of that series. So let's go for the definition. There are different ways to define a time series. Few of them are given here. Let's go for the first one. An ordered sequence of values of a variable at equal space time interval. Or either you can define a time series is sequence of observation taken sequentially in time. This is for Matthew 1. A time series is a collection of observation denoted by xt made sequentially through time. Actually, the time series are analyses to understand the past and to predict the future. These things enabling managers or policymakers to make properly informed decisions. A time series analysis quantifies the main features in data and the random variation. These reasons combined with improved computing power have made time series method widely applicable in economic forecasting, sales forecasting, budgetary analysis, stock market analysis, yield projections, process and quality control, inventory studies, workload projection, and many other areas.